everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm back with another crypto topic on how you can easily buy a Dogecoin on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to buy a Dogecoin on your Coinbase account, first make sure that you have an account, of course. Create a Coinbase account, add a payment method on it, and simply tap open your Coinbase application. And first, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you've not added a payment method yet, go ahead and do it first. In order to buy a Dogecoin on Coinbase, start off by tapping on the buy button from the main homepage. Now, select Dogecoin from the list. You can also type in Dogecoin in the search box at the top and select Dogecoin option. Now, remember to add a payment method before buying any kind of a crypto on Coinbase. So once you've added the payment method, simply enter the amount of Dogecoin that you'd like to buy. Use the number pad in order to input the amount you want to spend in your local currency, and the app will automatically convert that into a Dogecoin amount. After you type in the amount that you'd like to buy, tap on Preview Buy button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be shown the details of your purchase. Make sure that everything looks good and confirm your purchase. That is it. That is how you can easily buy Dogecoin on Coinbase, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.